Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and my mom gave me these, and I believe they are sticker sheets. And so I had this little Dollar Tree mini composition book, and I thought, let's decorate it, because I think one of these sheets, even though it's Christmas, I think we could use it. So they look to be all the same, so I'm just gonna grab, oh no, they're not all the same. Oh, now I've got to look at them. Anyways, this is the one I'm going to use. I'm going to use this one, even though it's Christmas. Let's see. Look how pretty these are. Oh, goodness. Look at those. I know, and I've gone off on a totally different little tangent here. These are beautiful. Oh, look at this one. This is going to be so fun for Christmas, and some of these you can cut down for all year. This one's beautiful, but I think I need this on a bigger page, maybe even a card. Look at that girl. She is screaming to be used in a journal, if I'm not mistaken. What do you think? Let me know. Okay, so all those sheets, I'm still sticking with the one that I'm going with. And I think she got these from, I've always said Temu, but according to the Super Bowl, I think they called it Temu. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this down. I'm not going to be able to use the whole thing. So I'm going to cut it. Right about here. Because I want to save some of this for a future project. And I definitely want this piece here. Now it's not as straight as I'd like it because I did not cut as straight as I wanted to. So I'm going to use my trimmer, straighten it up, and then we'll get a nice straight cut. I grabbed a few other pieces that I thought would work well. That looks like it's going to fit much better. And then I'm going to just cut this. Oh, so pretty. And then I will cut this as well. And might as well cut these while I have the scissors out. Ooh, there we go. I could do that and be done. And then I've got these little pieces, and I'm going to keep those. I'm going to just put them right in my box of tricks here. And I may get back into that to use some other pieces. So now I'm hoping these are stickers. After all that, they may not be stickers. It may be just papers. And it looks like it is. And that's okay too. We're just going to go ahead and I'm going to put some of my glue here. And I'm going to get it over there toward the edge because I don't want it to come undone. Same with here. I'm going to get it as close to that edge as possible. Same here. So would this be a Dollar Tree DIY or paper crafting? I think it's a little of both because I'm definitely using some Dollar Tree items. You guys, look at how pretty, look how pretty this is already. just like that. And then I could use the back as well, but we're just going to do the front for the time being. This is gorgeous. And I'm going to pink it up a little bit. So what am I going to do? I'm going to get out my pink blender brush. I'm going to go with a Moody Mauve, using my Stampin' Up! Colors here. We're just going to add some pink to this, going around here. And I'm not too worried that it's not perfect, right? And why? Because we're going to just use the way we like it, not the way someone else tells us to like it. So I'm just going to add a little bit more there. And then I'm going to use some of my other stickers here. Now again, I'm hoping these are stickers. They may not be. That's what happens when you stop crafting for a little while. If these aren't stickers, I'm not going to use them for sure, because okay, this one might not be a sticker. And I don't just want to glue that one on there. Now, I think this one is. My goodness. I was almost betting this one was a sticker, so I hope that it is. Okay, that looks better. With this picture, I am happy. I just love that. And I'm going to put that right over here. And you can see through it a little bit. And then I'm going to get some washi tape here. I'm going to run that right along here. I'm going to try this side real quick. And just to, oh, it is a sticker. Yay. I'm glad I tried it again. We're just going to overlap those. I'm going to get some little scissors here. And these are just so pretty. And these are so easy to decorate. And I'm looking to see if there's anything else I might want to add onto this. And I had this piece that was kind of just sitting there. But I think I have something else that I wanted to go in on that. But look at this gold I just saw. How can I not add some of this pretty gold? So I'm going to add some gold. Oh, I want to be able to read that little note on there. I'm going to put the gold there, and then I'm going to put some gold right here. cut this off right where I need it. So that looks beautiful. And then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to look through just these little, oh, I might have found. Yeah, that's so pretty. And then maybe another little one. Like that. And I have all these stickers. I just love using them. Then I never know if they're stickers or not. So I'm going to add these little stickers. I hope this one comes off just as easily as that one did. Did I do it backwards? Oh, there we go. Look at how pretty this is. And then for my finishing touch, I'm going to use one of these little guys. Now we've got the Leaning Tower. We have the Paris, and we've got Big Ben. We've got Love. What I like about this is I can put the one that I want. This one here says Catalog. I didn't think I'd like this one, but I think I'm going to go with it because that looks really nice on there. And this one says Catalog on it, and it is a sticker there from Dollar Tree. I'm going to put this one right here. Just look at the difference this has made. Now I'm going to get some of these Tim Holtz things here. I love this. It says Become Your Best You. And this one says Choose to Be Happy. Let's see if there's any other colors. There's some black. I was hoping there would be maybe some craft color. But guess what? I'm going to go stick with this one. And I'm going to say Become Your Best You. And since I have a little bit of pink still left on here, I'm going to color that up just a little bit there. And yep, I'll get it on my fingers, but that's okay. So now we're getting that to match on there. I'm going to put that right down there. And you know what I'm thinking? I also like this one. I like this one that says, choose to be happy. And I think we can use that as well. So back here again. And I'm going to cut this up. I'm going to put the choose and the happy. Ooh. And I'm going to go right here. I'm going to have choose to be happy. Just like that. This is so pretty. And I have a few little dots here. I'm going to look real quick to see if that is something that would look good on here. Oh yeah, right there it would. Actually perfect. Those three would go perfect on there. So I'm going to get out my Take Your Pick tool, my favorite Stampin' Up tool. And I'll put my Stampin' Up link in case you want to grab that. I'm going to go small, big, small. These little dots are from Stampin' Up too. They're the speckled dots. And look at that. So do you want a book that looks like this? Or do you want a book that looks like this? I love this one. So I hope you do too. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more paper crafting like this, please let me know. And then I'm just going to use the back. And I'm probably going to use just another one of these for the back. Maybe something like this, where it's open and empty. These are so pretty. So I'll put that on the back and then it'll be complete. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already. And I will talk to you later. Bye.